The best teachers I found are those who show you where to look, but not what to find, allowing our practitioners to get our children involved in that learning of nature. The natural world itself, the opportunities are endless. There's wonders in nature. Every bug is waiting to be named, every tree tells its own story, every wind blowing through the trees sings a song, every twig that you find on the floor can be a magic wand. The possibilities are endless for children, and what we want them to do is find the way that they can connect themselves with nature, to find how they belong in that space and in that time, how they relate to the world around them. And actually we're just a small, insignificant piece in the world, but actually we play such a crucial role. We want our practitioners to really motivate, encourage and fuel and celebrate that curiosity that you can find in the outdoor experiences.